What's up guys, it's Seawolf. I want to show you guys a new little pack I got from Maxpedition. This is on their new, I think it's like advanced research line from Maxpedition. And this is the DEP, which stands for Daily Essentials pouch. I just want to show you guys kind of like a look around of it. Not going into a whole lot of detail of what I keep inside it, I'll show you, but I just wanted to kind of give a review. There's not a lot of information on this on YouTube yet, and I just wanted to show you guys what it's all about, what you would use it for, and its intentions. So what makes this different than some of the other pouches from Maxpedition is it's kind of like a two-section pouch. It's not the clamshell. It's got a larger section right here, and then you've got this smaller section to kind of keep some of the smaller things in day-to-day. And that really is, I mean, this says it. It's a daily essentials pouch. I do not suggest this pouch for like a med kit or a survival pouch or anything like that, simply because what I'll show you in a second, how it opens up kind of makes it hard to get to some of this stuff. But it is really nice for organization because there's so many compartments. So let's just do a look around real quick. On the back, you've got your MOLLE straps. These came with it, super nice. You've got an incredibly heavy duty strap here on the top. Some D-rings for clipping anything you want on. The spot for your morale patch. These cool little finger loops on the zippers. And then on the front, you've got some more webbing. I'm not really sure what you use this for. I guess if you want to attach another piece to it, which I couldn't see why you'd do that. Maybe a flashlight or something. So this front little pouch, you can see I just keep some kind of things I use day to day, like chargers, headphones, some Carmex and things like that, batteries, a lighter. So what I wanted to show you is you've got this little slip here to put cords and things like that in to keep them away from everything else. And then you've got some webbing. You got small, medium, large, and then on this side it goes the reverse, small, medium, large. On the inside, I keep just a, again, this is daily essentials, this isn't survival or nothing. Keep me a nice Game Boy, because I'm a child at heart, play a little Pokemon. My titanium spoon for day-to-day use. And then a battery pack along with some wet wipes and just some, these are like hand towels, like to clean your hands with basically. And some Purell, that's really it. So back to the pouch. What you've got inside is pretty cool. You've got several layers in this one. So you've got this long pocket right here in the back for like a notebook or something. This web pocket right here, maybe for cords or maybe like a wallet. Like if you were at Six Flags or something, you just want to put this on your side and put some things in it. You've got a large webbing loop and then two kind of like medium-sized webbing loops. This may be good for like a poncho or something. You know, like if you roll up a poncho and stick it in there. And then you've got this one in the back, you put a passport or whatever. So again, I really feel like, there it is right there. Advanced gear research, that's what it is. I really feel like this pouch is exactly what it says. And of all the pouches I've bought, it has felt like the most intentional from Maxpedition. I don't feel like I can use it for a million different things, which kind of felt like a negative, but it's actually pretty cool how they designed something that you know what its intention is. And the intention of this is to carry things that you need day to day. It's not for a million different things. It's not for survival or outdoors or anything like that. It obviously could be used as that. But it's pretty intentional in giving you just a lot of organization of things you could use day to day. So I hope this helps you guys. There's not a lot of information on this yet at the time of this video, so I hope it helps you make the decision if you want this. My only disclaimer, like I said, would be it's a very intentionally designed pouch. You can see it's the way it opens. You're gonna have, it's not really for med kit kind of stuff because you're gonna have a little bit harder time getting to some of this stuff if you like cut your finger or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it if you enjoyed it, and then subscribe if you want to see more like it. And absolutely suggest if you guys know of any other companies besides like Maxpedition or Vanquist or someone like that who does this kind of stuff. So thank you guys. See you in the next one.